In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a domain for sale on GoDaddy. If you have a domain name you no longer need or one you'd like to sell to the right buyer, GoDaddy gives you a straightforward way to put that domain on the market. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. To begin, log into your GoDaddy domain portfolio. This is where you can view and manage all the domain names connected to your account. Once you're signed in, take a moment to locate the specific domain you want to sell. If you manage several domains, it can help to double check the name before moving forward so you're sure you're listing the correct one. Next, select the domain you want to sell and click the option labeled List for Sale, or in some cases, For Sale. This opens the selling workflow and lets GoDaddy know that you want to make that domain available to potential buyers. Depending on the interface version you see, the wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You're activating the sale listing for that domain. After that, set your listing price through GoDaddy Auctions or Afternic. Depending on the options presented to you, you'll typically be able to choose between a buy now price and auction style selling. A buy now price is best if you want a simple fixed amount and prefer a faster, more direct purchase process. An auction format may be useful if you want buyers to bid competitively, which can sometimes increase the final selling price. As you enter your pricing, make sure it reflects the value you believe your domain has, while still being realistic for the market you're targeting. Once your pricing is set, the final step is to set up your payout account details and confirm the listing agreement. This part is important because it tells GoDaddy where to send your payment if the domain sells. Carefully review the payout section to make sure your information is accurate, and then read through the listing agreement before confirming. This helps you understand the terms of the sale and ensures your listing can go live without any issues. And that's it. Once everything is completed and confirmed, your domain will be listed for sale through GoDaddy's marketplace tools. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process for other domains in your portfolio whenever you're ready to sell.